Looks like I found some fat wood. So here I am in the beautiful pine forest. A cloudy, windy, kind of chilly day, early spring here in Wisconsin. Gonna cook up a little breakfast. Possibly could get some rain, so I'm gonna set up a little lean-to tarp here to keep myself dry, just in case. And just spend the afternoon here in the woods. Gonna make some French toast and sausage, real simple, and just enjoy the day. So please, stick around. Looks like I'm golden. In case it rains, I'm gonna get set up, get cooking a late breakfast. I guess we could call it brunch now. So I'm gonna get cracking here. Use my little hot tent stove here to cook up the lunch. Looks like I found some fat wood. Check that out. See it? That's excellent. Cook up a little sausage. And we'll let that die down a little bit. Alright, so I'm going to whip up this French toast batter real quick. Got a little milk, little cream, a couple eggs, cinnamon sugar in there. Yeah, a little more. Got the cast iron today for the French toast. And get that slowly heated up. Sausage is looking mighty fine. We're gonna get this batter in here. Alright, we're going to get this French toast off, the sausage, and eat. Cinnamon sugar on top again. All right, French toast and sausage. It's kind of cold out. Real maple syrup too. That's the key. Oh, this hits the spot. Little sausage. Homemade sausage. Oh yeah. I like this little spot out here. Something about the pine forest that just peaceful. I don't know if maybe there's generally less undergrowth. You can see a little further, I don't know. But it's just very relaxing. So far, no rain. I think I hiked about 2 miles to get here. So it'll probably start raining once I pack up and start walking. So, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, Bush Food Network, and check out all the other videos I have. Some are overnighters, some at campgrounds, some out in the woods, some just hiking cooks like I'm doing today. Either way, enjoy cooking over a fire. This little Pomely T1 Mini worked pretty good. Saw another guy on YouTube use a similar stove for his fireplace, and I thought, oh, that's a pretty good idea. It's all contained, that way I don't have to worry about digging a hole, burying it, all that kind of stuff. And once the ashes and the embers go down, you know, I still will kind of bury them, cover them up, leave no trace. But this makes it a lot easier. And the thing's super light, made out of titanium. I want to say the whole thing weighs about 4 pounds. So, not much in the pack. But it's a nice little stove too for a hot tent too. Puts out a lot of heat. Make sure you like this video. I like likes. Pass along, share. Finishing my last bites here. I'm going to clean up a little bit, pack up, and hike on out of here. So, thank you for watching. It's been fun out here today. And, like I said, check out the rest of my channel, Bush Food Network. I'll see you later.